All right, well, I got the lower stuff welded in, so you can see like this guy. Let me see here, yeah. So, yeah, right in there. I got that all welded. I put that plate on there, so I made it so to box it in, give it a little more strength. And then, I'm not gonna climb under the truck, but got all this welded in. Got this one all welded in underneath. It's really turned out good, I think. And then I'll show you the box on the other side. So, and you can see I got that one boxed in. It's all welded in. So I think that looks pretty good. It should definitely hold together. And with that, I'm technically done with the rear. I got to do a little bit of grinding here on the fender wells on both sides. Try to get them evened out the best I can. Somebody went after it with a torch, and it's pretty wide, but I need to be able to get this, I don't know, can't really see it from there. But you can see how it's kind of straight right through here. So I got to get all that curved again. Put tires on, mount the coilovers, and this bad boy is done back here as far as the rear end goes. So, not too bad. Anyways, that's all I got.